Hi friends, welcome back. So the best part of organizing at zero cost is that you can start right away. You don't need to wait for any new items to arrive or to go shopping. So are you ready to organize your home without spending a single penny? Let's get started. Here's a quick tip on organizing plastic container lids for time saving as well as easy access. It can be so frustrating to find the right lid when you don't have a proper organization. There are so many lids of different colors. Let's see a quick way to organize them. With the help of a bigger box, which I hardly use, I already had it at home, I'm going to use the base of this box to organize all the lids by color. The bigger ones go behind and the smaller ones come in front. In this way, it's so much more convenient to pull out the lid which I'm looking for. By organizing your container lids, you'll enjoy a more functional and stress-free kitchen. Many electronics don't have a designated space to manage their cords, and sometimes the cords are so long that it interrupts the cleaning and mopping process in the house. Here is a clever tip to solve this problem. So in order to neatly organize the long cords of the gadgets that don't have built-in hooks, you can simply attach command hooks to the back of the cabinet or the back portion of the gadget and then loop the cords around the hooks to keep them from tangling and cluttering your space. This is a quick and practical way to manage the cord chaos without any extra tools. Let's take a look at the next tip, which will help you to increase the shoe rack storage. So in order to maximize your shoe rack's capacity, you can place one shoe of each pair facing forward and the other facing backward. This staggered arrangement saves space and allows you to fit more shoes in the same area without overcrowding. It is an easy way, especially in smaller spaces where you can keep all your favorite footwear accessible. It also helps you to decide quickly because you can see the heel of the shoe as well as the front part at one glance. Here's a creative way to fold blankets, which will not only keep your living room or bedroom organized, but it also adds a cozy and stylish touch to your space. Let's take a look how to do this. So you fold the blanket lengthwise into a half, and then you need to have a tiny fold right on top. Flip one side and another side, and then keep it lengthwise. From the loose end, you have to start rolling the blanket. Make it into a tight roll, and as soon as you reach the top, here is where you can form the little pocket. Just overturn all the extra material on top to give it that cozy look. You can place soft toys, remote controls or other small items inside this top fold so they are securely tucked in but still visible. This method turns your blankets into a functional storage space also while looking neat as well as decorative. This simple trick will turn unused closet space into a belt organizer, keeping everything tidy and within reach. So you just need to grab a S hook as well as some curtain rings, which you can just make a long loop as if it's a chain, and then you can pass through them your belts in a very easy manner, making a long chain which can be hung in the closet in absolutely no time. This organization is so quick, plus you can easily see all your options at once, saving you time when you're getting ready. By turning paper bags into sturdy baskets, you can create a practical and eco-friendly solution for keeping your home organized. Let's take a look how to do this. This basket is slightly different from what I showed in my previous video because it has handles which will help you to pull in and pull out from the storage space. So we start by removing the handles from their original spot, and then you have to fold the bag where the base is in that fold, and then flip on top the entire bag. Press it so that it makes a crease, and then again between 2 to 3 inches on the top you have to make another fold. Press it firmly again to make another crease, because this is going to help us in making a sturdier basket. So now we begin folding first of all the topmost crease that we had made. We fold all the sides inwards and press them firmly. Then we start folding the next fold, and this one will help the bag hold its shape better and look more like a basket. So the last step is just to attach the handles. You can either use a punching machine to make holes, or you can use something which is pointed in order to make tiny holes through which you can use the same handles which we had removed at the beginning and tie a knot. After you cut off the excess strand which is hanging inwards, your basket is ready for use. Now let's take a look how we can organize the messy closet by using these baskets. So whether you're organizing clothes, pantry items, baskets with handles allows you to move things around without any hassle. Instead of carrying individual items, you can move multiple things at once by simply picking up the basket by the handles, making tidying up quicker and more efficient.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you. Your support and encouragement means a lot. Thank you so much. You are the reason that this channel keeps growing and encourages me to make more such videos. I'll see you soon next week. Bye-bye.